Hello guys, welcome again for another great video. Remember, my name is Seal, and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So as you know, in this channel we talk a lot how to make money online, how to invest, and the goal is to invest online and make passive income online. So today I want to give an answer or a method or a solution to those of you who want to get started with affiliate marketing, but we may not have some income, some money to get started as strong, as great as you want. So a free and proven great solution that you can follow right now. So I want to share it to you just to remember, for those of you who don't know what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is just a simple fact to promote somebody else's product and make commissions when someone buy with your link. So this is affiliate marketing. And yeah, so this method that I'm going to show you is completely free, and you don't need to have any experience, any skill required. In fact, this method is very simple. The man will make it as simplified in 3 steps that you just need to apply every day, and it will take you less than 30 minutes. So these steps is here for you. Don't forget, it's not because it's free that it means that this hasn't value, but this free course or this free way in order for you to get started is just the will of this man, the author of this website, to help affiliate marketers to get started. Because don't forget, the great trap that a lot of people get into is they don't get started. A lot of them are talking about, faking about, making some resolutions and a lot kind of stuff, but they don't get started. So this website will help you to get started, and you can do it right now and today, and even start to make some commissions. Yes, it's completely possible. So this website will open you large of possibilities, because it's like the big affiliate marketing compressed in such a simple steps that you will be able to follow. So no further ado, let me just show you in my computer what I'm talking about right now. Okay, now you have the website. Here is the website. The website is called 30-minute workday. 30-minute workday, because the goal of this website is to help you to achieve your financial freedom by spending only 30 minutes of work every day. So the author of this website is called Nick, and Nick is a man who has been who is an affiliate marketer since for the last 15 years. He has been in affiliate marketing. In fact, he has done like many different businesses. He has even tried to learn difficult stuffs because he wanted to upgrade his business. He wanted to go in another level. So he went to see a giant in affiliate marketing and tried to design a very difficult, complex website, very automated, to generate a lot of income. Of course, he did it, and it succeeded for the first couple of days, but after that he has almost been bankrupt, because a lot of people were complaining, and also because his website has been hacked. So that's where he really understood that by sticking to just one simple method would help him to really make the accomplish his money freedom. And that's what happened. He said that he was just during one time he has completely abandoned his affiliate marketing business for a full years, but this year where it didn't work at all, he has made his first 100,000. Why? Because of this system. It's completely simple. In fact, in this business opportunity, not this is opportunity, but this in course, because it's more about getting skills and apply it. This website is more about getting great skills that a lot of affiliate marketers don't talk about and apply. So you will get those skills and you will start to apply. So this website is divided in 3 phases. You have the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. And in each phases, there are a lot of things that you can be learning. In fact, the first step here, get your income stream. You're gonna learn what it's all about. And here, you're gonna learn, because this website is also to give you, as I said, a way for you to get great skills, but also how to apply, because a lot of people just keep learning, keep on collecting information, but they don't really have the way to apply. But this website will allow you not only to learn, but also to apply, and it will apply it by assisting you with a system completely done for you. And you know, it's completely free. This a system done for you with a landing page done for you, with emails already done for you. So this is the way you're gonna just set up for yourself. You will need to go to all these steps. And for the phases that I was talking about, here's what you're going to learn in each phase. In the phase 1, you start to activate the done for you income. So you're going to activate the system. In fact, in this system, every work you will do will benefit only you, because the system is already done, and the things you just need to do is to get the skills and start to follow each step and implement what it will tell you to do. And in the second step, you will learn to a great book that he has written that is very mind-blowing. You will learn one of the most secrets of affiliate marketing. In fact, there is inside this book tons of information that a lot of affiliate marketers sell you for big money, such as how to make a landing page. So there are tons of things you're going to learn in this course. And in the last phase, you can unlock the wealth, your generational wealth. You're going to learn all many great stuff, how to grow, multiply your money by doing just simple things. So I will put the link to this website below. If you want, you can check it. It's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. You can check it. If you are not satisfied, of course, you are able to leave at any time, but I highly recommend it to you, especially if you are a beginner. If you want to get started online with a very cheap and a free solution, don't just going video from video, but you can get started today and right now. So that's what I will really want to talk with you today. I hope that you're gonna take this website, take action right now, and start to just generate your passive income. So that was Seal, guys, for Tremendous Generation. I hope that this video has taught you something new. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel right now. And I tell you bye-bye. See you to the next video. Take